Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I wanted to pop on real quick and just talk about the truth about belly fat. I've had this conversation, I feel like, every day for the past 2 weeks in terms of weight that gathers right around your midsection, what you should do about it, how to really address it. And everybody keeps saying, oh, just eat less, you got to get more movement in, all these other things. And really, if you're not addressing the cortisol issue that you have, you're not going to get a result. You can do all of these things, but if you're not doing all of these things in alignment for your cortisol, it's not going to improve for you, which means you're not going to be able to move that scale at all. Your inches aren't going to change. The weight's not going to change. Your fatigue might get a little bit better and then a little bit worse. Or even if you do push really hard to lose 10 pounds, it comes back like that, comes back with a vengeance. And then it's even harder to lose again. This is the most frustrating thing about getting weight accumulated around your midsection. It is unlike anything else. You can feel like, God, I'm working out more. I'm getting more tone. My muscles and my legs are developing. This is so great. But what the heck? It's not changing anything in my waist. What am I doing wrong? You're not addressing the cortisol issue. Cortisol is the number one reason why, especially women, gain that extra tire around their midsection. So when we work together in the 12-week challenge, things that I address are going to be nutrition that really benefits cortisol levels, helps that. Exercise for your cortisol levels. Exercise actually increases cortisol, especially if you're doing it too intensely and too long. It actually has a negative effect on your system, making this worse. Yeah, I can't tell you how many times I come across this, that exercising too much increases your belly fat. Supplements. Yes, there are some that are great, multivitamin, vitamin D, all those good things. Sure. Yeah, for sure. But if you're not adding in some adaptogens or things that specifically your system needs to combat the cortisol and the stress, again, you're not going to get any results with it. And then sleep and rest. This is a huge part of it. If you are not resting properly, if you're not getting the right amount of reset for your body and system, you're not going to get anywhere. It is going to be a long uphill battle, a really long uphill battle. So keep in mind, it is really essential that you're getting your body healthier, right? It's not just a cheap trick. If I see one more of these stupid, skinny belly, blah, 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 tea tablet, blah, blah, that's a bunch of crap. It's a bunch of crap, right? It is. It's not any trick or gimmick or anything. If you're going to get your body to shift and change, you have to change what you're doing and address the issue that's at the start of all of it, which is cortisol. So these are things that we address in the 12-week challenge. If you have more questions on this, if you want more information on this, here is a link that you can get on the waitlist for the next 12-week challenge. Hi, Stephanie. Yes, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we are, enrolling on the 12-week waitlist. Registration does open in June, and it only is released on this waitlist, so you do not want to miss out. Plus, there's a lot of great information, places for you to start, and if you have questions, this is a great place to, chat with me about questions that you have as well by getting on the waitlist. So, link is there. Get on the waitlist. Lots of great info. Other resources I have for you, of course, are my YouTube channel, which is Dr. Beth Westy, my podcast, which is The Female Health Solution, and then my book, The Female Fat Solution, and this is on Amazon. Lots of great resources in here on nutrition that matches your hormones and your cycle, and I do address the cortisol issues in here. But if you're like, oh my gosh, I want to get going on this, I want to get this started for me, the 12-week challenge is where it's at, so get on the wait list. All right, that's what I got for you guys tonight. Have a great rest of your night, and I will see you later.